Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to get Crunchyroll on your Roku device. Follow these instructions and you'll be ready to stream your favorite anime series and movies in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your Roku and TV. Power on your Roku device and ensure it's connected to your TV and a stable internet connection. Use the Roku remote to navigate to the home screen. Step 2. Go to the Roku home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to access the main menu, where you can see all your installed channels and apps. Step 3. Open Streaming Channels. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels to open the Roku Channel Store. This is where you can search for new apps and channels to add to your device. Step 4. Search for Crunchyroll. Select Search Channels and type Crunchyroll using the on-screen keyboard. Highlight the Crunchyroll app when it appears in the results. Step 5. Add the channel. Click Add Channel to install Crunchyroll on your Roku. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once finished, you'll see a confirmation that the channel has been added. Step 6. Launch Crunchyroll. After installation, open the Crunchyroll app from your home screen or the My Channel section. You'll see the welcome screen with options to sign in or browse. Step 7. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Crunchyroll account, select Sign in and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, visit Crunchyroll.com on your smartphone or computer to sign up. Then return to your Roku to log in. Step 8. Start watching. Once signed in, you'll have full access to Crunchyroll's library of anime shows and movies. Browse titles, select your favorite series, and start streaming instantly. That's it. You've successfully installed and signed into Crunchyroll on your Roku device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and professional streaming tutorials.